watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and we're back on the Ant Colony. We're pretty much about 3 or 4 days from when the original colony was started, so you can see the progression. They dug out most of the bottom. But there's lots in there, especially on the top, that you can fall off that big stack they're making. It looks like they're going towards the exit. So we'll have to see what they're doing there. Just keep an eye out on that. Oh, that's just lots in there. A lot of fun to watch. Some fall, some move around. They're building a bridge between the two sections there in the middle. Looks pretty neat. Not sure exactly when this is going to be turned on in relation to the other videos, but just, it's about the fourth day of the original